Evo's got a little friend down here at the shop today, real 180sx. This thing's in good shape too. Alright, so it's just a quick little fab job on the 180. This intercooler pipe got blown off and ran over, so we're going to grab some measurements off of it, cut up some pieces of straight, bead roll them. That's a natural 90 and a natural 45, so I'll go ahead and tack the straight pieces onto the bends, and then we should be able to mark it on the car and weld it up. Should be super quick and easy. You can see now it's pretty easy. We'll go ahead and make a single mark on here. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. It's always fun to have unique cars come by the shop for quick little fab projects. Make sure you hit the subscribe and the like button, and we'll see you guys at the next one.